It's been an unusual season for both Eau Claire Memorial and Eau Claire North bowling.
Dealing with COVID-19 protocols, having a change of the season, losing kids halfway through the season, it was difficult to say the least.
Memorial seniors Austin Gretzlock and Jacob Munns have been waiting for this moment to go to state together.
It feels great, having one of my good friends that is a senior that is going to stay as well.
As a team, it's better because you get everybody there. You get to interact with everybody. It's the perfect way to end off everything.
At Eau Claire North, freshman Trey Hendricksmeyer qualified for state. He's been bowling since a very young age.
My parents took me bowling for the first time when I was 2. I joined the league when I was 3.
Ever since he learned to bowl, Trey has used 2 hands.
I couldn't pick up the ball with one hand because it was too heavy for me. So I ended up just picking it up with 2 hands, and as time went on, I just developed throwing it like that.
Eau Claire North head coach Brandon Null knew Trey was a special talent last year and has seen an improvement in 2 key areas.
Consistency in his mindset this year was a full 180-degree swap.
Both schools, Memorial and North, have a common dream of bringing home championships.
I haven't wrapped my head around the idea of it yet. It's more so I'll worry about it when I'm there, and until then it feels unreal.
In Eau Claire, Evan Denton, News 18.